We live yet? Looks like we're live. Let me know, guys, if you are able to hear me. Okay. Okay, how's everyone, man? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shray, and you are watching ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. So, let's start from here. Look. Just look at this. This was the chart posted on the Patreon when the price of Bitcoin was $42,069. When was this? December 26th. I said that we are going to go up. And here, if this chart gets invalidated, if we close above $47,000, 150. Okay, what did Bitcoin do? Let's get this chart clean. Okay, this was the chart, and that was 4 hours candle, right? So 4 hourly candle closed at this price, 47,115. So we never came close to 150. 47,150 was the target that the 4 hour candle should close at 47,150. Then this chart gets invalidated. Okay, I posted this on YouTube as well. If you go in my previous videos, you'll be able to see that. So how did we do? Let's see. So this is what I'm expecting, and we are still on the track of this move getting played. Okay? Until this channel, right? Let me show you why there's still bearishness. We are in this channel, right? And Bitcoin is trying really hard to go above this channel, but it's getting rejected. How many times it got rejected? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 times it got rejected. I'm not saying that it can go above that, but the chances are more likely that now that we have closed majority of our candles, 4 hours candle, below this line. If you look at it on a daily, it's clear that we have come down. If you look at the daily candle closed. That's a very bearish move, okay? So the daily candle closed how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days. This will be the 4th day that the daily candle is below this line. Not very good. So our target for Bitcoin is right here in this range. Still stays where, because I was looking at the 618. Can the wick go lower than that? Yes, it's possible, but I would say it would slow down here, because the 618. Let me know if there's a lag in the stream. Yeah, look at the 618 is coming up to this level. So, yeah, 37,000, 37, 36.5. Yeah, 37. Yeah, 37.5. Between 37.5 to 36.5 is possible. This is the range, right? The wick, for a few seconds, the wick could go lower, okay? You know, these levels. Let's just put it this way, because this is This is a big range, but I think this is what I think. The daily 4-hourly candle would close around here, and then you would get a wick. Might get a wick, okay, to lower levels. But whatever's got to happen is got to happen now, soon. Okay, either it's today, tomorrow, in next 2-3 days. I think it's going to be today. Bitcoin has to do something very quickly. How's everyone, man? Steve Moon, let's go. How are you, brother? Judd B, brother Shray, how are you doing? I am just about to start work and wanted to ask you if you can chart BCH. Many thanks to you for amazing work. Thanks. Brian, hit me with you're watching ShrayTV, baby. How are you, brother? Raj, how are you? Mr. Lee, hi, bro. How are you today? Good. I miss you. Yeah, I miss you too, guys. You know, we see if we get bigger. And if I'm away, I'm focusing on crypto, right? If I come every day and, you know, the channel's not growing, then I just don't want to waste time. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So, Starboys, all good, man. Free. Yo, Shray, I saw your Bitcoin live or stream. I was working. Mention your name. Thank you, brother. I turned my head in excitement. Yeah, I was trying to get the word out. I like that guy. He's honest. So, where are we? Let's see. So, people who are new here just joined the stream. I am still bearish until we are below this channel. Okay, let's remove this arc so you know what I'm talking about. The 618 comes to this level, okay? Look at this. How I calculated was we go from the lowest point to the highest 4-hour. You could say you could go to 618 to all the way to $49,000 where the wick went. Then 618 would come to $36,000 here, right? And the wick could go to 35.5. But I like to be conservative and say, you know, where we spent the 4-hourly candles most was around $47,000. So that's where I'm putting it. So 618 comes to this level. Okay. So that's what I'm expecting. Between, again, conservative mode, I would say 37.5, 38 to 36.5. That's the range of our level for Bitcoin. See, this chart was posted on the 26th of December. And I said this chart gets invalidated if we close above 47,150. And look at this, man. Even I was doubting myself when Bitcoin was going to $49,000. I was like, what the hell is going on? You know, how is this thing possible? But yeah, it's just so that you get out of your trade. This is just being done so that you get out of your trade. I made this call when Bitcoin was at $42,000. I said that we will go up. And my upper limit was $47,150. And Bitcoin stopped. The 4-hour candle stopped at $47,000. Right? We never had a close on a 4-hourly above $47,000. So here we are. We are waiting, and you could see a flash crash. If we don't move up, there's still a chance. I'm leaning more towards a nice flash crash is possible. You could see this go down like that. Huge red candle go down like that. Okay? I will not be surprised if that happens. A huge flash crash just takes Bitcoin down to 37,500, 36,500, somewhere around in this range. So yeah, so the total move, the total crash from the top to $49,000, it will be here would be about 24, 25%. If it goes to 36.5, it'll be, you know, about 25%. So it's normal, okay? These pullbacks are healthy. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'll be going all in at these prices. Again, guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves crypto and my crypto bros. In the news today, Elon Musk's media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, on Monday received money transmitter license from Utah, the 15th U.S. state to grant approval as a company explores offering payment features. So it has, you know, Twitter X basically has become like PayPal. It grants the company the ability similar to PayPal Venmo to facilitate money transfers and make ways for a company to allow users to send money to one another. Yeah. I think he's going to convert Twitter as similar to WeChat in China. You know, here in the United States, we have WhatsApp, right? If WhatsApp starts payment, it would basically become like WeChat. In China, they use WeChat. Zabur Maruf, Kidda Paji. Good, brother. How are you? Digibyte, sleeping giant. Yes, I like Digibyte. Whether treating us same crypto ATX. How are you, brother? Hi, Shray. Good to see you again. Good to see you too, man. Guys, make sure to hit that like. What is happening? 21 people, 9 likes. No bueno. Guys, make sure to hit, you know, once the stream is over, make sure to put a little effort and write comments on the videos. It helps. If you want me to come live often, I have to see action from you. It should not just take value. You should give back, okay? So make sure to type comments. It helps the video, pushes the video out there in the universe, in the crypto universe. Vanguard rep apologizes for a lack of crypto vision. These guys at Vanguard on CNBC or some major mainstream channel went and said that, oh, we don't have Bitcoin, we don't support it, and this and that. So a lot of people started taking their money out of Vanguard. So they will have to eventually get into crypto. They just want to buy cheap. That's why. So some sort of news will come out which will drag this thing down, either from one of these big players. It's just to buy crypto cheap, and this is when they will get in. That's what I think. Okay, let's clear all this so you get a better idea. This is 200-day moving average. We are right, you know, kissing it and coming down. This is not a good scene when we go below 200 moving average, right? Look at this. It's not a bull market. Anytime we are below 200 moving day average, it's not a bull market. Again, this is a 4-hourly candle. On a daily, we are way above 200 moving average. Okay, but on a 4-hourly, see, very few times we've been sticking to this. You know, this is the phase here. We went below 200-day moving average here. Just a phase here. Just a little bit here. Let's see what happens after that. A big move comes, right? So we might see a little pullback like that and then go up right away. Waste some time here. I don't think anywhere. Bitcoin's not going anywhere quickly. So we will spend some time. The same amount of days, that accumulation we have here, will have, let me tell you how many days to be precise. Yeah, nothing is precise, but approximate what I anticipate that Bitcoin is going to scare everybody once it gets out of this channel, right? And it'll come back. The weekly candle will close above the channel. I think. That's what I think. The weekly candle will close above the channel. If you count this, see, like that. Yeah, the weekly candle. I don't think Bitcoin will stay down there for, you know, weekly. I should look at weekly or monthly. I'm not sure. But it will not spend too much time here if it goes down. Okay? We would at least come back down to this region pretty quickly. If it goes down to this region like that, it'll come back up to this region, consolidate. It'll go, you know, really slowly. It'll start to go up, come back down, and then go make another high at 50,000, come back down. It will be very tough to break this channel just because Bitcoin will be wasting time so that altcoins could catch up. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, okay? When Bitcoin, the longer it stays in this channel, the longer time the altcoins have to pump. So let's see how many days Bitcoin spent here. If you see from the top, until now, we have spent 42 days. So I would think that Bitcoin will stay in this channel for another 40, maybe 42 to 45 days. 42 to 45. It could be by February's last week, end of February. Bitcoin could stay in this range, going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, but as soon as after this dump, if it comes up, it's going to be very boring. Bitcoin becomes very boring after that. Okay, but you know that our ultimate target is 70K. That is coming, guys. Okay, that is coming. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. If you get out and look at the bigger picture, the bigger picture looks good. I'm not talking about gloom and doom. We will come and kiss and then waste time before Bitcoin just goes berserk. Berserk. You will see straight up. Bitcoin, after all these consolidation, would go straight up like that. You know, to these levels, I would say. Not this level. Hold on. A little bit above the last all-time high. So I would say we are looking at these levels right here. Let me know if there's a lag in my stream, okay? So just a little bit above the previous all-time high would put us between $70,000 to $74,000. If you look at the weekly, let's look at the weekly. Yeah, right here. That's where I think we are going. And I have made videos 6 months ago, okay, 4 to 5 months ago about that Bitcoin's going to $74,000. When we were here at $26,000, I mentioned we are going up, okay? I was very bullish way back from here. We started making videos big time that bull market's coming right here in this region in December, November, December. If you go back on the channel, you will see. And on my Patreon group, we went all in during this period. A lot of people don't realize these calls make a huge difference. I went all in right here. I was like, this is it. Look at this. Like, this is unbelievable, right? I don't like to be cocky, but I'm proud of myself. Look, at $42,000, I said that we'll go to $47,000. If we don't close at 47,150, then we are going down to these levels. And look, where are we? $43,000 back again. How's the new music? You like the new music here? Jet B, Zilliqa, the new Solana. Yes, I like Zilliqa, but it's been wasting too much time, man. It's boring as hell. It's so boring. Ned, Bitcoin trade is over. Time to focus on ETH, and especially with ETH ETF approval in May potentially. Just look at that. I'm trying to find a low cap gem here on Kraken. See, this Keeper DAO is only $385,000. $385,000 market cap. That is low, man. That is low. Yeah. I think I'm going to put 5 grand in it and just see, you know, if it gets delisted from this exchange, then this thing can go to zero, right? Look at this. $367,000 market cap. You know, I just posted this chart where it is going on my Patreon. But if it gets delisted, it can go to zero because only few exchanges. Look at this. In the United States, you can only buy it on Kraken. Nowhere else. So I don't trust any other exchanges except Kraken, and the liquidity. $1,300 on Kraken. Okay, really low. So if it gets delisted, you know, soon other exchanges would delist this coin as well, and it will go to zero. I have lost money like that in different crypto exchanges, so got to be careful. I'm just gonna put a little bit and see where it goes, right? I know where it's going. I posted a chart on my Patreon, but I'm trying to find a gem and trying to chart these low cap gems and see where they're going. So let's look at Kintsugi. What is Kintsugi? Again, these are really high risk cryptos, but trying to buy them low. Look at this. This is Keeper DAO. I was looking at it right before our stream. Look at the accumulation here. How long do you think this will carry on? Soon it's gonna burst to the upside. Soon. Okay, what it could do is, just to scare you, it could go one more time, take one more dip to this level. To this level. It could go one more time to this level before going up to 35 cents. What's interesting is this thing is at 47 cents right now. At one point, this crypto was at $830. $832. Okay? That is crazy. From $832, this thing is at 47 cents right now. So, yeah. It's just another Terra Luna, man. Look at this. Crazy. Let's look at Kint. K-I-N-T. Well, I don't like Kint right now. I mean, it could pump. It could pump to this level. It could pump like this. It could pump to this level like that. And then we could see it come back down. Because right now I see it has come to this level where, yeah, I don't fancy this crypto anymore. Right now, as of right now, this doesn't look good to me. Do you see a lag in the stream, guys? Let me know, please. Or is it just perfect? 382 came close to 382. Yeah, this pump could be over. From the bottom, we pumped almost 8x, 7.5x. Yeah, that's a good pump from the bottom. I think that's it. It could create a double bottom. You know, I would get back here in this range. Trying to find a gem. RWA is a big narrative. Larry Fink keeps talking about it. Absolutely. I agree. That's why I am into RWA. The biggest RWA is LCX, my brother. Rather than buying a particular domain in RWA, why not buy a platform which is going to tokenize? RWA means real world assets. Right, tokenization of real world assets. So I cannot pronounce that exchange name, but LCX. It's a European exchange which is regulated, only $100-some million market cap, and that thing I think is gonna reach a couple billion, at least couple $1 billion market cap easily, and that is one of the biggest RWA platforms. If you see they are tokenizing diamonds, there's a project called TIAMONDS. The ticker symbol is TIA, TIA. Diamonds, they call it. And yeah, man, what they're doing on that exchange, and plus it has links with the World Economic Forum. I really like LCX. But I'm waiting on LCX for it to dump to this region. Hopefully, if I'm right, I made my money in LCX. We did a fantastic trade. We got in at 4 cents. Our whole group got in at 4 cents. We sold here at the top at 14 cents. Even if this goes up and leaves us, I will let it go. I will not chase it. But I want it to drop. This is where I would start buying this crypto. If it drops to 10 cents, start buying at 10 all the way to 7 cents. Okay, DCA, I would buy a big chunk here at 10 cents, because from where I sold, it would be a drop of what, almost 26%. That is a good drop. I think it's a win. If it drops here to 7 cents, between 8 to 7 cents, the window for that is slowing down. Okay, the window for that is slowing down because you can see here it's gonna come and pause on this. This was to come down, I don't know if it's gonna be a flash crash and comes down, how it's gonna play out, but look at this. I think it's gonna stop, just go below it and scare us. So it could probably go at 9 cents, between 9 to 7 cents. Yes, but soon it has to do something. Okay, might do something like this. Okay, might do something like this, like that. Okay, I would not be surprised. It has done that previously. Look here, retracement of what, from the top, 50% retracement in how many days? Only 13 days. So how many days we have spent here? From the top, we've spent almost 11 days, 12 days. So very close to this fractal here. We could drop, like a tart. It's just a matter of time. If Bitcoin prints a big candle down, then this is possible. But the longer it stays up there, man, it makes me nervous. But I'm not nervous. I made my money on this coin, and I'll find something else. But I just don't want to lose my gains. Right. This is still in this triangle. On a 4-hourly. Look at this. Let me clear it for you so you're able to get a bit better picture. 4-hourly LCX. This is a RWA platform. The RWA narrative is going to be big. Okay? We are, it's a bull flag, they call it, but I think it may drop lower. Okay, if it does not, then hey, it's okay. It's okay, because I know Bitcoin's not going anywhere. You know, even if it goes up here, it's going to get stuck at $44,000, $45,000. It's going to get stuck in this region. I would say $44,000. It's going to get stuck. It won't be able to pass $44,000, even if it goes up. So it's going to spend a lot of time right here in this region. So I am not worried about Bitcoin, or I would not make any hasty decisions, because Bitcoin's going to spend a lot of time here. Okay, but I'm waiting. If this dip happens, oh man, I might buy 3 Bitcoins. Yeah, 3 or 4 Bitcoins. Yeah, right here. At this range, I would buy 3 Bitcoins. Yeah, right here. You know, make a quick 15 to 20%, because I don't think it'll stay there for a long period of time. Yeah, I think it would be a good trade. A quick, you know, $10,000-$15,000. Because if that happens, you know, altcoin is going to get destroyed. And the first thing, Bitcoin comes up, and it will take few days for altcoins to recover. Man, I'm listening to there's an Indian song here. Kuriye, kuriye. How do you like the music? Who knows what could happen in crypto this year? I'm expecting $70,000, between $70 to $75, $75,000 Bitcoin, brother. Jut Bees, Zilliqa the new Solana. Brudge. Ned, M0 is a low cap gem on Uniswap. I don't do much of Uniswap, bro. If it's available on the US exchange, then I do it. M0, first ever omni-chain gaming RWA marketplace, already partnered with CSGO. First mover advantage, tapping into 50 billion gaming asset market. Okay. Good find, brother. Let me look at M0. Cooked such a nice chicken corn, sweet corn soup today. Man, I feel like I want to have another bowl. I don't see the chart here, brother. Come on, man. This Bitcoin made me wait so long. I have money on the sidelines. I'm sitting there and, you know, to just go in. Because I don't want to have that feeling. Right? Look at this. I don't like that feeling when I'm not into the market. But you have to control your emotions. Look at this. Okay, let's look at M0. It's looking ready, brother. It's gonna pull a big ass candle. Looks like this. Looks like it's getting ready, brother, to make a nice move up. Look at this. It's in this channel, so I would be just a little cautious, right? I think 618 is coming, but after 618 it could crash. It could make you think that we are going up, so it could possibly pump go up to this level, another 48%, makes you think that we are going up, hoorah, and boom, slams back down to this level. Okay, so just gotta be careful, and then it could do this. If it gets out of the channel, it's game over. Okay, you gotta be careful. Some new assets do that. Okay, be very careful. But I think 618 is going to kiss 618. Let's see if it has kissed. No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. So I think, yeah, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. So another 48, 50% move is possible. It's on a DEX screener, okay? Lord of Jupiter, how are you, brother? Dogelon Mars chart, please. One of my Patreons wanted Zilliqa. So Jut B wants Zilliqa. Let me look at Zilliqa. Bro, I'm still, I think this is the bottom. I mean, when I say bottom, that means that's it. Zilliqa's not going down any lower than this. This is it. It has accumulated. Look at this accumulation down there. It's just, it has to go up to this level. I don't know when, man. I don't know. I've been wrong on this thing. It's going to this level. Okay. When? I don't know. I can't be precise. The more you talk about it, I get a little pissed off because I am heavily invested in Zilliqa. The more you talk about it, it pisses me off. Because by this time we should be, here at this level. So I'm talking about 15 to 20 cents. By this time, we should have been sitting on that level. So how are we going to reach there so quickly? So Zilliqa just has to print a huge, big dildo. Okay? To achieve that. Because we are lagging big time, brother. Big time. Lagging big time. So we need to go, and this is when I will be trading some. My final targets for Zilliqa are between, 80 cents a dollar. Final depends on the time frame. $3 is possible, Zilliqa. But I don't care, man. I will trade this if, depending on my crypto journey. There will be several trades being made in the next 6 months. What I want to do is just be in 2 cryptos, right? 2 or 3 cryptos, so that I'm able to take profits. So this could be another trade for me. It depends how quickly we come up. Because cryptos are going to get very, very boring. After this pump that I'm expecting, altcoins could get very boring for between 4 to 6 months. It'll be one of the most boring periods in crypto. That 4 to 6 months will be very boring. Nothing will happen, man. So we just have from now until maybe February end or March of whatever the pump is going to happen during that time. After that, things get very boring. So I'm going to go on a vacation or go somewhere during that period. Yeah, because I don't want to be a part of it. So right now I'm bullish, very bullish. Okay, what else? I don't know what you want me to say, but this is where we are going. Okay, And then this is where we might consolidate. Once we go there, we will consolidate. Once we come up like that, consolidate here before going up. Okay. But how? It just don't make sense to me that how are we able to go to 20 cents? Because we have lost the pace. Zilliqa has lost pace here. Spend too much time here. You know, it's ridiculous. Look at the amount of time we have spent here. But just look at the Bitcoin and Zilliqa chart. Zilliqa Bitcoin chart is so bullish, bro. It's just unbelievable. Look at this chart. It's just ridiculous. Look at the consolidation, man. Look at the consolidation. It came to all the way. Zilliqa got its bottom against Bitcoin right now, just a few days ago. Look at this. Created another bottom. This is ridiculous, bro. There's no other way except going up. And when that happens, it's going to be nuts. It's going to be nuts. This is where Zilliqa against Bitcoin is going. Okay? When that happens, I don't know, brother. You know, I can't call a time on it, but this is where we are going. Look at the pump against Bitcoin. That pump is a between 10 to 12x pump. 10 to 12x pump. Okay. When that happens, I don't know, bro. But that's what, you know, we reached the bottom against Bitcoin. Just a matter of time. How long we consolidate here, nobody knows. But I don't think in the dollar terms we are going any lower than, you know, where we are. You know, it's just a matter of time. There'll be a huge green dildo that'll go up. But I've said this so many times, right? So I cannot keep on reiterating, right? And especially if you ask on a public forum, bro. Not here. I'm talking about on our Patreon, and don't put it on the messages, right? And I can't individually answer every question. If you want one-on-one trading, you want to be, you know, like a trading buddy, then I'll put another tier for it, okay? Because I have to focus. I focus on, you know, doing things because it requires a lot of attention. If I'm answering, you know, questions, I won't be able to focus, and we could miss. If I miss, you miss, right? So let me stay focused on the markets. Sang, you gotta love ShrayTV, baby. Boring equals accumulation. Zil and SLP, same feeling. Yeah, man. It's just checking your patience. Checking your patience, and one day it's gonna pop like a MF. But look at this chart, man. It's so bullish. It's so uber bullish. Yeah, until we reach this level, you know, there's no point messing with. We bought BCH at the bottom, bro. That's it. You know, you buy it and forget it until it reaches this level. Just don't touch it until between 18 to 20 cents. I would say between 15 to 18 cents. Not touching my Zilliqa. Nowhere. How long it's going to jerk around here? I don't know, man. Just look at this triangle. I thought it was any day that it would pump. Look at this. It's just squeezing. Where it's going to go? Where it's going to go? It's not going to go to zero. Look at this. It's almost close to zero. Look at this. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. That's it. Look at this. can call this a falling wedge. Right, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, man. This thing's gonna break. It's just a matter of time. How long it jerks around here, nobody can say. Okay? But I don't think it has much time. Because Zilliqa is gonna go to probably $3. At least between $1.50, between $1 to $3. So if it has to go to that level, it has to start moving. Opportunity cost for holding SLP and ZIL is really bad. They will pump but also waste too much time. Yes, I agree. You know, but that's the chance you do. You don't want to be 100% in these cryptos, right? That's why you trade. Like, I have one account. I have several crypto accounts, but I have one account just for trading. That's where I trade. We 3x'd our money. So the whole portfolio goes. I don't put 5,000, you know, just a little bit of money. No, I put a big chunk in one trade. If I'm 100% sure this crypto is going to pump, you know, because if it pumps way ahead of other cryptos, even if it doubles, your whole portfolio doubles, right? So that means I can be way ahead of my peers. We all are peers. We are each other's competitors, right? So if my portfolio, you know, goes 3x, then I have a better edge than the other person in crypto. But it's very important to find these gems which pump, right? Pumps first. So, yeah, that's what we did. And we did several cryptos on Patreon. I put Singularity that pumped almost 6 to 8 months ago. It pumped 12x. UltraMePay, it did almost 6 or 7x. Render, 6 or 7x. We posted all these. Solana, posted at $21. Went to 100 some bucks, right? So money is made, and now we are holding. We are going into different coins, right? But there are other coins that I don't touch because I don't want to get capital gains. So I have never touched my XRP, Bitcoin Cash, you know. I'm sorry, Bitcoin Cash I traded. I sold all my Bitcoin Cash at $300. At 300 bucks, I sold all my Bitcoin Cash, bought it back. When it went lower, I bought it back at around 190 or, yeah, 190, around that range. And, you know, traded it a little while ago. And I'm going to go back into Bitcoin Cash sooner or later when I feel Bitcoin Cash has a bottom against Bitcoin. Not the dollar terms. I will not see what price Bitcoin Cash dollar is. But when Bitcoin Cash reaches against Bitcoin, when Bitcoin Cash reaches against Bitcoin this level, bro, this chart is incomplete. Hold on. They don't have a full chart here. Let me show you this chart. Okay. Do you see already pre-marked zones? Again, I keep on mentioning, I don't care what price Bitcoin Cash will be when it reaches this yellow zone. When it reaches this zone, man, I'm going to consolidate majority of my crypto and go into Bitcoin Cash. Right here at this level. When it creates a double bottom against Bitcoin, this is when I'm going into this coin. Okay? Like that, I have a few other coins that I plan to consolidate my crypto into. Because I cannot comprehend why Bitcoin Cash will go up so high like the way I expect. It could be that some sort of regulations kick in. Because these cryptos, like especially Bitcoin Cash, why would it pump? Because they have a crypto exchange called ERDX. You know, these big hedge funds, Citadel and big institutions, they do all their trading on this particular crypto exchange, and Bitcoin Cash is part of it. So they'll be like, hey, pump our bags. So they might tell the government to ban majority of the cryptos. Okay, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't want to take any chances. So when you have little money, it's okay to gamble it. You know, $5,000-$10,000, you gamble. Okay, it's okay to gamble. But big money, no, you don't have time to, you know, gamble. You know, some meme coin or any other Joe Schmo crypto like Rook. I talk about Rook. That can go to zero, right? It might 20x, so I might put $5,000 in it and think about that money's lost. It's already gone, okay? And if it goes, you know, if it goes 10x, and if I get a quick 10x, if I get 100,000 out of it, you know, then yeah. Could you please check Ethereum, Raj? This is Ethereum against Bitcoin. Okay, let's start from the start. What do I see here? Ugly looking chart. That's what I see. Look at this, boys. Look at that, man. Yeah, this thing, when it pumps, man. Look at the consolidation. Yeah, I expect a big, you know, usually these big triangles sometimes, because they break bearish. If it depends how you look at it. If you look at this way, then we have broken this trend. It's gone down. So you could say we might come back up to this level. You know, right here. So let's put it this way. Okay. So might come to this level, which would be against Bitcoin a 150% pump to a new all-time high against Bitcoin. Right. That'll be 0.14 of 0.149 of 1 Bitcoin would be how much? Let's see, Bitcoin sitting at, say for example, Bitcoin sitting at $45,000, being conservative. 0.149 would put Ethereum at $6,700. Okay, would put Ethereum, if this happens, and Bitcoin is at $45,000, trading at $40,000 to $50,000. If this happens, right, how quickly we'll go up, I don't know, but at some point we'll, according to this chart, it shows it's going to get rejected around this region. I don't know what price Bitcoin will be during that time, July, August, right, July, August time frame. Yeah, so I like where it is right now. If you look at this way, this triangle is sitting right at the bottom. That's why it pumped. But usually cryptos or any assets, they like to just scare you and break down like that one more time before they go up like that, just to clear out weak hands. It's possible it could do something like that before it goes up. Okay, but time for Ethereum has come very close to pump. Okay, Ethereum's gonna pump, you know, and Ethereum could be one of the one that starts the bull run. Yeah, I like it. Against dollar terms, let's see. ETH against US dollar. Let's clear all this. Yeah, I see Ethereum just going up like that, you know. It'll be like this. That's how Ethereum is gonna be like a stock, you know. It's gonna become like a stock. That's how I see Ethereum trade. So yeah, $8,000 to $10,000 Ethereum. Yeah, but I said at $6,000 there could be, you know, some sort of yeah, new all-time high is coming for Ethereum, man. A new all-time high. When I told you, right? July, August, it's possible it might get a new all-time high. Depends where Bitcoin is. If Bitcoin's sitting at $70,000, just, you know, put the number 0.14 of $70,000 would be what? Yeah, 10 grand. Yep. So yeah, between, I'm just being, you know, because if Bitcoin reaches 70,000, after that I expect a crash in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin could be sitting at $45,000 at a crash, $50,000. This is when Ethereum could go up. So between $6,000 to $10,000, depends when it decides to pump against Bitcoin. Okay, so that would be the top for me for Ethereum. $6,000 to $8,000, $6,000 to $10,000. Guys, this is not broke TV, okay? I go on different streams. You know, show some appreciation. Okay, it's a bull market. When you were broke, I can understand that you guys are broke. Now, you know, you must have seen your portfolio go up, right? Made so many good calls on this channel. I haven't found any YouTuber, okay? I don't want to be a big head, but there's no YouTuber who has done what I have done. I don't want to be cocky. If you go on my Patreon, there's a free thing. I'll show you. Okay? I'll show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. No one has done what I've done. Nobody. It's, you know. There's a free I will post it on post a link to that thing and you'll be able to see it. Okay, I want to keep reiterating what I have done. It shows all the predictions, all my previous predictions from the start, from where Bitcoin was at the bottom. Okay, it shows everything. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna post it, and this is a free link. Okay, this is a free link of my Patreon, which anyone can watch. You'll be able to have access to everything what I have predicted from the bottom of the Bitcoin stock market bottom. It has everything in it. Okay, all, especially my Bitcoin and stock market predictions are right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty neat. I haven't done for altcoins. There wouldn't be any space, so because there are so many predictions that altcoins we did. You know, here's one post from November 21st, 2022, where we did the bottom. Right, look at this. Expect a big pump in few days. I'm looking at several altcoins. Majority have hit the bottom. This looks like a bottom to me. We go up from here. That was November 21st, 2022. What happened after that? What was the bottom? The bottom was $749 billion. This is when I said it's a bottom. What happened after that? Look at that. $1.53 trillion market cap. Stock market. Rally after higher low. So it did. There, you know, when you click on the chart, it'll be much clearer. Click on that link, you'll be able to know. Okay. You should click right now and keep that link open, because when the live gets done, you won't be able to see the live chat, because it takes about few hours for the live chat to come. One day you will be a billionaire man. Thank you, brother. Thanks for nice wishes. Thank you. Love it. I just don't want to, you know, there are so many good people, good human beings, good YouTubers out there. But what I have done and provided so much stuff, 90% of my stuff that I provide is free. Okay. But, you know, the rest of the stuff that, you know, a lot of people ask me, hey, Shray, do this, do that. But I've been doing, so far, I've done that stuff for free. But I won't be doing that for free anymore, right? So, you know, you have to understand. You have to show appreciation. Where was I? Trying to find a gem here on Rubic. Rubic, $2.2 million market cap. Let's look at Rubic, RBC. I think Rubic is ready for another level up. Wow. Yeah, I think so. It's ready. That's the next level up it's going to. Look at that. Yeah, it broke out like in a big way, went up at this level. It's a good thing. Can it come back down a little more? Yes, it can. But where it is going is this level right here. See, it came into the channel. So the goal is to come to the top of the channel. So where is the top of the channel? We could pump almost 10x. Come to the zone right here. Yeah, man. At 26 cents. That's where it's going. Between 24 to 30 cents. 24 to 30 cents. Rubic. Yeah. Hello? Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. So how long this consolidation will last, I don't know. but you can say it came out, came into this channel back again, and you know, it could be going up. Can it print a candle like this? Yes, it can print a candle like this and scare you like that. Okay, but yeah, this would be the zone where I would, yeah, 26 cents, 20 cents. Yeah, look at this. There's so much consolidation here. It won't be able to pass it. You know, between 20 to 30 cents. 20 to 30 cents. That's where it's going. We will look at it after that, once it reaches that. But looks like it might be going there. What did it come down? It went down to 98%. Okay. Again, low market cap, $2 million. How many exchanges this thing is available? Let's look at it. Rubic. Yeah, mainly Kraken and Gate.io. Yeah, not many exchanges. So there's always a fear when you look at these low market cap coins that it could get delisted. If it gets delisted, this coin just suddenly dies. So it's scary. Yeah. So I wouldn't bet a farm on it. You know what I mean? What is this? TEER, tier. Wow, look at that pump, man. Oh, we missed it. We missed it. I looked at this chart. Look at it. Oh, I missed it, man. Look at that. Boy, oh boy. Man. Shit, man. How did I miss this? 8x. 8x. You see that I already charted this, right? And ay. It's okay. You can't get all of them. I like this song, man. Imagine there's just some Josh Mo singer sings better than one of the top artists. That, yeah. OXY, Oxygen. Show me, tell me about a low cap gem. Man, this looks good. This looks good. This looks, yeah, this looks ready. You know, it's just a matter of time that it breaks out of this channel. Look at this. Has it reached 618? That's what my concern is. Oh, it has not reached 618 yet. So you could see this thing just fly to 618. Okay. So this is weekly. Let's look at, it's 3 days. Yeah, at least to 618. You could see a nice pump. Yeah, that's a 2x. The wick could go to 6 cents. Yeah, 250 to 270% pump. It's just a matter of time. This thing is gonna pump. Yeah, I like the way it's positioned itself. How long? It's just, you know, how long it spends here in this channel, I cannot say, man. You know, we'll have to look at these 2-3 things. Let's look at the RSI. Yeah, man, RSI has a lot of room to go up. Yeah, man, look at this. It's just sitting at 48, a 3-day RSI. Yeah, but I would not mess with these cryptos unless I'm sure about it. Because I have, you know, these shit, I call them shit coins. I have few shit coins that I like. Arger, I already have invested in this. So how many coins I'm gonna invest in? It's low market cap, $7 million market cap. Bought it at the bottom, then you forget about it. You know, this coin Bricks, I think it's a Reddit coin. I didn't know that it was available here. Bricks. Oh no, not Reddit. It's Fortnite. You know that game Fortnite. Let's look at it. BRIC. I can't figure out. Let's see. Fortnite. No, not here. Oh man. Yeah, it's just a matter of time, man. Look at this. It's just a matter of time. There's some sort of association with this and Fortnite. You see what I see? Yeah, if it stays in this channel, you know, then possibility of it creating a new all-time high or getting close to the all-time high increases much sooner. Look at this. 34 cents. It's at 6 cents right now. So that is a 4x, 5x move. Okay. Yeah, I like it. I like it. $4 million market cap. Give me 1 second. I'll be back, okay? John Young, ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man.
Look into your eyes. I look into your eyes. No longer mine. No, you're no longer mine. The silence will fly.
Sorry guys, I was starving.
The silence will fly.
Feels so much better now. I had to eat a little bit. Can you see me properly? I was starving, man. Mirror Protocol, $3.4 million market cap. I think this coin is available on a lot of crypto exchanges. Mirror Protocol. The full chart, yes, looks like. Oh my god, it's been trying to pump. Look at this. It's trying hard to pump. I think I charted this before. So it's possible that we might, okay, do something like this, waste some time, and then we go like that to this level. So Mirror Protocol, because I'm looking at, I remember now I charted this RSI. So the RSI could go this way, like that. And then we get the final move up. July, August, where it just pumps like a MF. Should be pretty stable now. Okay, let's get back to Mirror. Yeah, Mirror, I don't think it's ready right now. But I'm trying to find a gem that is going to make me 50x or 100x in a short period of time. And Mirror could be the candidate for that. It could be the candidate that makes you a lot of money. But is it ready yet? I don't think so. Could be wrong, but it has one more level to dip. You see what I'm saying? One more level to dip. Let's find a 618. Yeah. So we could see a dip to this level. Imagine you're able to get this mirror protocol at this level, 0.008, 0.006. This level. Man. You know, put like 5 grand in it and this thing pumps like to this level. Imagine from 6 cents. No, not 6 cents. It's what, 6 penny? It pumps to this level right there. Oh boy, man. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? Being conservative, imagine it pumps to this level. But yeah, let's just keep it this way. So yeah, that's 100x, bro, to this level. If it drops to this 0.005, 0.007, you could get between 90 to 100x. Okay, again, it has to come to our level. Will it? We'll have to see. You know, we could do this. You know. Then bombastic overnight. Okay, whenever that happens, it'll be like within 1 week it just pumps, you know, 50x, 100x. One week, just boom 50x. 1 or 2 weeks, I would say. Yeah, 1 or 2 weeks. Something like this could happen with Mirror Protocol, because I think it's gonna waste time. Because I was looking at the RSI. I get unstable. Yeah, the 3-day RSI, and yeah, we have time to waste, and eventually this is where I would sell. We'll take some profit at 90. Whenever that happens, you know, when it reaches, the RSI reaches this level, I would be like, okay, I'm getting close. The 3-day RSI, when it gets close to this level, this is where I would get out. So right now we could just jerk around, go back down to this level before rocket. What up? Hey bro, I'm live on YouTube. Okay, we can talk later. Okay, I'll give you a buzz later. Okay, hey, I was planning a trip. Right, boys trip. Did you speak to Abrar? Boys trip, you know, in the mountains, in the mountains, or Thailand. Okay, in March. Okay, all right, later, bye. Okay, let us see if that comes to fruition, because I'm preparing for the boring times that is going to come in crypto after the Q1. It's gonna get boring. Brian Shray equals chart and pussy slayer. Boom. Love you, brother, from another mother. I'm out. Peace. Boom. Sure, brother. Anyone here like on holding ALI? What is ALI? Ali. So I wouldn't get into this coin yet. Ultra low market caps, you know, they pump, one of them, you know, majority of them pump later. I don't think, I don't get a good vibe right now with Mirror. Like a weekly, I don't get a good vibe. Yeah, this could be the scenario right here. Yeah, man, that's the level for Mirror Protocol. And I like the fact that this coin is available on different exchanges. 69 cents to $1. 69 cents to $1. Yeah, that will be crazy, innit? Yeah, that'll be craziness if that happens. Let's see which exchanges Mirror Protocol is available. Yeah, out of this stream, I like this one the most, but we'll just have to remember to buy it later, because I do think it's only $3 million market cap. See, it's available on more exchanges than the other one, but still not many. It's not on Binance or on Coinbase. Wow, it's available on, damn it, Kraken. Kraken. I like that. Oh, man, it feels so good. That tea was amazing. I wanted that, man. I was starving. Yeah, out of all the coins that we have seen so far, I like this one. Mirror. I don't know what it does. Mirror is the governance token of Mirror Protocol. MIR can be staked to receive voting privileges and to earn share of protocol's collateralized debt position CDP withdrawal fees. MIR was airdropped to Uni and Luna holders. Currently, it is distributed via yield farming. I didn't get this coin. What the fuck? I had Luna, a lot of Luna. What are we talking about? Did you guys get Mirror Protocol? Yeah, later. Microcaps later. But I like this. But sometimes you forget, man, you know, to get back to it. So I'm going to mark it in my calendar to look back later. Around June. I should look at this coin around June. Because, you know what they say, sell in May and go away. So in May, this is when it'll just, you know, until May, it could jerk you around, but after that, you know, it would get a sudden drop. It's possible that you get something like this, like go sideways, pumps a little bit up, and then does this, you know, before it just, rockets like that. So this range, 6 cents to 9 cent range, I would start getting into it. So the drop from the top where it is right now would be somewhere around 60, between 60 to 66%. I'm not being greedy. It's just a chart, man. It's just a chart. That's what the chart is giving me, that vibe. Now we're going to go lower one more time before we go up. Okay. There are some cryptos which are at the bottom, What is BSX? I like new cryptos. Look at this. This is a new crypto launched in 2023. Yeah, this launched in 2023, man. This could be a winner, okay? This could be because it's first cycle. It is this coin's first cycle. It could do. It dropped to 85%. I don't know what this coin does. Well, it's only available on Kraken. What's going on? BSX tokens can be traded. No, I want to know about what this coin does. Well, only available on Kraken, nowhere else. I can't say, what it's gonna do. It's just shooting being blind. Right now I don't know what's going to happen. But it all depends. But I like the fact that where we are at the stage, because right now I'm bullish for the next 1 month. I'm very bullish. So these cryptos can do, even the low caps, some of them, not all of them, but some of them could do well, Yeah, we'll have to see, man. There's no much history, so I can't chart this. It's just what are you guys into? Give me a coin that you think you have done which has good fundamentals and you want me to look at the chart. LDW Finance, always love your work. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I try my best. Nilan, you are very bullish, but say BTC go to 38K. Yes. Why can't Nilan, a pullback to 38 don't mean that I'm not bullish. We can pull back to 38, still be bullish. After 38, we go to $70,000. It's a buying opportunity. It's a buying opportunity. Yeah, if we go down, bro, oh my God, I'm buying 3 Bitcoins. We go into this region, 37, 36, 5 region. This is where I'm buying. I will buy 3 Bitcoins. Look at that. All the signs are telling me that it's going to happen. Look at that. Just a matter of time, bro. You see this wick, how it went? It could be something like this. You could see something like this happen. Like that. Boom. Like that. I would not be surprised. And when it happens, it'll be quick. It'll be quick. No time. You know, you have to put your buying orders. So, yeah, if that happens, it'll be like quick, nice, juicy candle like this, that, you know, going to this range. First stop is on this. A lot of people will think it'll stop here, but then, you know, you might get a candle to 36.5. It's possible. Okay. But I wouldn't wait. I would start buying in at this zone at 37.5. Yeah, 37.6. I would start to buy. And, you know, might put one buy order at 36.5. One. Yeah. A lot of people are calling it for $35,000. Is it possible? Everything is possible in crypto. But, hey, we'll see. I think up to this, and that's it. Because, let me remove this moving average. It's bothering me. Because I don't usually have it. You know our line that I always talk about? We went below this line, see? That's why I'm bearish. You look at 4 hourly. Bitcoin never went. Every time it goes below that, you know, you could expect a nice pullback. All right, look at this. Support, support, support. Breaks the support right here. Boom. What happens when it broke the support? Boosh, big crash. Okay. When it broke the support. Big, big, big crash. Okay. Nice long. And these candles happen. It's fast, right? Whenever it breaks the support, it's nice long ass candle and it's fast. So that's what I expect here. It broke. It was very tough for Bitcoin to pass this resistance. Look at this. All this time it took to clear this trend line. Finally it did. And now, several days we spend, this line became a support. Here it was a resistance. And now here it became support. Right? And finally, it was able to go below this line. It broke down. It broke down. And it's not able to come up. Okay? So, what I expect is, you know, it go down like the other time. Like that. Something like this. Expect something like that. Nothing to worry. You know. We here on ShrayTV have balls. Not like other people. That's why we make the money. Money. Money, guys. This arc will save us. Okay? No need to worry. My friends. This arc will take us to $70,000. $70,000. This arc will save us. You know. Then we go up to 70. I'm expecting 32K. Yeah, well, possible, but I don't think. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. 37. $36,000. I'm going to finish all my buys. I'm not going to be greedy because you know what happens to mostly two people always lose money. Two people. First of them are greedy people. Second, people who are scared. These people never make it in crypto because you're constantly scared to make a move, constantly, asking yourself question, should I, if everything looks good, man, you gotta sometimes believe in yourself and go with the move. Okay. And back yourself up. It's always tough to press that button, buy or sell. It's not easy for everybody. Okay. But people still do it. So if you have conviction, you have to follow through and make your trade, right? But not be greedy. I'm never greedy. Even if I know that it's gonna go to say 36.5, I would not wait. I would do my buys at 35. 37. Finish all my buys at 37. If you see candles down, the orders may get filled, may not. It might be a wick that stays there for 30 seconds. Who knows? These are all chances that we are taking. But I do me. You do you, brother. Yeah. I take profits. I don't wait. When I chart, there are people who always like, oh, so you're selling it here? You're selling it there? No, I don't sell at the top. Okay. Because the wicks, they spend, if you have a big order, if you want to sell crypto worth, say, $200,000. Okay. And you are into a small cap or a mid cap. How the orders are going to get filled? It takes time. I need minimum 4-hour candle. If the price is staying somewhere around 4 hours, this is where I put all my sell orders. Because or else my crypto will not sell. If I put a limit sell, it will not sell because the price did not stay there for 4 hours. It has to stay minimum 4 hours for me to unload that kind of money. And I'm talking about mine is very low. I have people who are unloading, $1 million. Okay. So imagine somebody's unloading $1 million. You have to have 4 hourly candle because you can't rely on a wick. You see what Bitcoin did here. Look at it 4 hourly. This is ridiculous what Bitcoin did here. When it was happening, if you were there, you'll be in a panic mode. Look at what Bitcoin did. Look at this big ass candle. How many minutes do you think Bitcoin stayed there? Let's look at hourly. Okay. Did it stay 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour at this level, $48,600. 1 hour. Okay. I need 4 hours. So 4 hours. Let's look at 4 hours. Max, it stayed 4 hours. So I would put my sell orders at $45,000. 45,483. That would be the area where I would put my sell orders if I have a big portfolio. I'm sorry. Not 45 here. Here's it. Here's the zone. But over there as well. Look at that. Damn it. Okay. $47,000. Here I will be able to easily sell no matter what amount I have. Again, Bitcoin is a large volume asset. So you might be able to get this wick filled because the volume is huge on Bitcoin. So if you have 100,000, 200,000, easily you might be able to sell at these wicks. But it's very difficult, man. Very difficult. I'm not greedy. I'm telling you what I do. When I'm unloading stuff, I have to be very confident that Bitcoin is going to spend 4 hours, minimum 4 hours. At least one candle, 4 hours is going to be at that price. This is how I unload my stuff, right? Because I want to be peace. You know, if I'm sleeping, I know that my order will be, you know, executed. Look at this, man. You know, people who watch this channel sold here. Bro, that is, look at this. Let's say, you know, let me show you. Let me show you. There is a post that I did for Bitcoin. Where I showed where we are going. Just when it was at $48,000, 300. I said we are going down. Nobody liked that, actually. Even my Patreons didn't like what I posted. They be like, this motherfucker. Nobody likes bearish post, right? So even my Patreons didn't like my post. But I'm just a messenger, man. I am just a messenger. Don't get mad at me when I get bearish. You know, don't get mad at me. You know, it's just I am the messenger. God shows me the pathway that tells me, hey, you know, see, emergency update 5 days ago. 5 days ago, I got only one like, okay? Only one like. 1% liked it. Nobody liked it. Look at this. What did I post? What was the price of Bitcoin? $48,000, 365. And I wanted to post this right away, but I was going to post at $49,000 right exactly. But before I take a picture and, you know, do all that, it came back down, right? So I was able to catch it at 48,000, this level. But look, what did I say? So Bitcoin is not ready yet. Expect a pullback here. And what happened? So somebody traded that 48.3 was here. Look at that. That's 14%, man. 14%. In how many days? Or should I say hours? That is 1 day and 12 hours. 1 day and 8 hours. That'll be a fantastic trade, man. Fantastic trade. People who have money, they understand the value of ShrayTV, baby. Yeah. You cannot, I always tell my friends, you know, who I was like, you cannot go to a bartender and show him a piece of jewelry. That person will not understand the value of jewelry. You can keep on talking about that jewelry on and on and on, and it'll be like, this guy is an idiot. What is he talking about? He has this stone. He's showing me and talking about it. I'm not interested. Fuck off, right? So people who understand the value of the content are the people who are like, you know, ultra. They understand the value of what I'm providing, you know, and they are so grateful, man. You know, I've seen the most grateful people are one of the richest and the most humble. They understand the value of this content. And yeah, it's just crazy. This was given on December. I said December. Give me one YouTuber that told you that from $42,000 we are going to go to $47,000. Give me one YouTuber that said exactly, printed this chart. And there are YouTube videos. You go back, if you're new here, just go back on my YouTube channel and look at my YouTube videos. You know, look at my live stream and you will see. This was 5 days ago. Okay? That's why Patreon is important. People with money, if you have more than $10,000. And if you're not in Patreon, man, yeah, this is important. LDW Finance, assuming 38K is a 15% drop. From the top, it will be about 25% drop. From where I called it. Yeah, 20, I would say 30, 37.5. Yeah, 23. From the top, it's 49, from $49,000. If you look at the whole drop would make it about 24. Yeah, the wick would go to, I expect the wick to go to 36, 36.5. So the total drop will be like 25%. 25% drop. That makes sense because Bitcoin, when it drops 25, 30% drops are very common for Bitcoin in a bull market. In a bull market, 25 to 30%, because as Bitcoin is getting bigger and bigger, the drops in a bull market that we get will become smaller. Look at this. This is a 22% drop. This was a 20% drop. This was about the same, about a 20% drop. So this will be the biggest drop so far, which ShrayTV called it. It'll be, I would say it'll be about 25% drop altogether. So this will be one of the biggest drop in this bull market so far. And the quickest drop. Okay? So the quickest way we would be able to make the money. If you see, because the market cap of Bitcoin is getting bigger and bigger. That's why the bull market drops will be not that severe. 20%, 25% should be the drops that you expect. Here in last bull market, let's see. What were the drops like? %. This was 20%. Yeah, this was nice. 30%, 31% drop. Yeah, it's a good drop. I don't call these drops. This is just yeah. So 30% drop. So I would think that this drop will be that kind of drop. So 25% drop. Yeah, it's okay. It's a healthy pullback. I'm not worried about this drop at all. If that happens. Okay. What's the price right now? It's about time, man. It's about time. It should start going down. What the hell? I like Ivan on tech, okay? When he says, what the hell? What the hell? when he says that, I love it. I love it. What the hell? What the hell? Ivan on tech. The only YouTube channel that I personally watch, there are two YouTubers that I watch, okay? On a regular basis. I shouldn't say regular, but Ivan I watch on a regular basis because I like his, he is very knowledgeable on blockchain, okay? If you don't know, Ivan on Tech, that's his channel's name. It's called IVAN on Tech. Here, I posted, I wrote it down for you. So Ivan on Tech, he's a developer, okay? He's not a fundamental, he's not a technical analyst. So, but he's very good on fundamentals. So if you want to know, want to learn about blockchain, he's a good guy, okay? And he's very entertaining as well. It's fun. And he said, what the hell? What the hell? I love the way he talks, money. He says money. I was like, yeah, I like money. I like money too. Yeah, he's a good guy. And he's one of the OGs, man. Really old, and he's spreading, crypto word. Follow him. He's a good guy. But, yeah, man. Crypto Lifer, again, another guy. He's a good guy. I was on his channel today because I went on live. I wanted to see what other people are doing. And when I was getting ready for my live, he was live. So, I like to tip people, make them happy because I know how much hard work it goes. And when somebody, gives you some sort of donation, it feels good. It's not about just the money. You feel appreciated, right? If you feel good for the work you're doing. Because, you don't make money in YouTube views at all. If you count since I started my channel until now, YouTube has paid me, $800 so far. So, two years aggregated, okay? 2 years, $800. So you don't make money in YouTube, okay? If you think you make money on YouTube, no, you don't. But a lot of people think they have this thing, oh, he's making money by views. No, that's stupid. But yeah, man, it's about time. Bitcoin, this bad boy should drop. It should drop like a tart. And I'm ready to catch it. I am ready to catch it. But you saw this, right? This line that we talked about. If you watch this channel, we are stuck on this line, okay? We are below this line. So until Bitcoin comes above this line I'm talking about, this line, it's very, very dangerous. This drop is imminent. The longer we stay below this, the drop becomes imminent to this level. Nobody liked it, okay? Look at the hate you get. All the hard work you put in. Nobody likes you. Even your Patreon, they'll be like, we don't like you, Shray. At $48,000, when your emotions are really high and you are happy, you're like, yeah, man, we are going to $50,000. We are going to $50,000. And somebody comes and tells you, fuck you. It's not going to 50. It's going down. It's going down. You'll be like, oh, this motherfucker, this asshole. I'm just starting to feel good. And this guy comes and says, oh, we're going down. Yeah. So I understand. I understand that feeling. But I don't take it personally. It's I feel I want to do whatever I can, like I don't never feel that I'm more intelligent or better than another person. Okay. The moment you start feeling that, your downfall starts in life. I believe God has given me God. Okay. Everyone has power. Some people are good at math. Some people are good at talking. Some people are good at painting. So I have an eye to look for things, right? So, I'm just helping other people out. Okay. At the end of the day, we're all going to die. It's the same process, right? Everyone has the same destination. Some are going to go early. Some are going to go late. My wife was a medical physicist. She passed away when she was 37. Okay. A medical physicist. She had a PhD in physics. And very super smart, very good wife, a good mother. My daughter was only 1 year old. She had a head-on collision and gone. Okay. I do this to, I do crypto. It's not only about making money. I like the thrill of it. And when you predict something and something comes to fruition, it just feels amazing, that feeling. When you do a trade, it's just fantastic. It's like a game for me, man. Like playing a video game. I don't waste time in playing video games. This is a video game for me, in real life. When you're betting, when you're trading, if you have $100,000 writing on a trade and you make $300,000 in a matter of 30 days, my trades are not a day, 2-day trades. No, I trade, mid to long term. Like short term trades. That means 30 to 50-day trade. Okay, that is a short term trade. But it's exciting, man. It feels really good. Right now, capital preservation is very, very important. You cannot get into a shitcoin and lose your capital, because it has happened to people in ICP. If you get into a coin like ICP, in the bull market, that coin came out and it went down. Just look at the coin. So many people got destroyed, and basically it takes you out of the crypto market. ICP, when it came out, look at this. It came out in bull market. It came out in May. In May it came out. It just, imagine there's so many people got into ICP at these levels, $400, $500 level. So many people. They don't have a chart here, you know. If they show that chart, it goes like this, you know. It was like this. It went to $700, you know, because I traded ICP, you know, at those levels. At $500, $550, I traded ICP. Bought it low and, you know, went up. I traded. So I know there's so many people who were stuck in this, got destroyed. Because once you have seen this level, $500, and it drops, in how many days it dropped? Look at this. Within how many days it dropped? So new cryptos, you have to be very careful. In just 42 days, man. 42 days. It dropped how much? 94%. 94% in 42 days, bro. And never recovered. Kept on going down, down, and down. You know, it's just so many people got destroyed in this. So you don't want to be in one of those cryptos. You were holding one crypto, say for example XRP, and you're frustrated right now. It's not going up. Solana went up, other cryptos went up, and your XRP didn't go up. And after holding for say 2-3 years, you sell it and you go catching, you know, one of these hyped coins, and you get into something like ICP, which was really hyped, and this thing drops. Nobody, I think 90% people won't be able to get out. My sister had this coin, you know, and she slept. We were trading it at night. I called her 3-4 times. I was like, sell it. She didn't wake up. So she saw the drop. You know, she was able to sell this at $84. And she was like, oh my God, you know, I'm still losing so much money. I was like, hey, this thing's going to go to zero. It's going to go really low. I know it. Okay. Because my other sister and me traded, because, you know, we live together. So, you know, we were able to trade this. We sold at $500 when it pumped. They don't have the full chart here, but at $500 we traded that coin, and that thing went down like a tart, bro. You know, it's crazy. So you got to be careful what you are trading right now, especially capital preservation, no unnecessary risks. No. If somebody has big capital, then no shit coins, man. Like people with big money don't even go for shit coins. You know, they want to make sure the money they have, they don't lose that money. So many people who are rich, they don't want 50x. They're already millionaire. They have $5 million. They want to make it just 10 million or 20 million. 2x, 3x, 4x. That's it. That's what they want, you know? So there are people like that. So you have to think like a millionaire, you know, already how they are thinking. Okay. What's going on with LUNC, Shray? Let's look at it. Just consolidating, bro. Yeah, when it gets out of this channel, this is when it gets bullish. It needs to do this. Go up, slam back down, and then go up like that. That's how I think it's going to play out. Okay? RSI, when it comes closer to these levels, this is when we sell. 90s. RSI somewhere in 90s. Yeah, RSI right now 42, bro. We still have a lot of room to go up. A lot of room. Yeah. It's going to create something like this. When you start to see something like this forming, going like this. Like this. This is when you sell. Because it's going to come back down like that. Okay? So, you know, like an arc. Form an arc. RSI. The RSI will form an arc. Like that. Okay? So, you know, not the first time we hit 90s. It's not when you sell for the first time. Because it's going to jerk you around before, you know, it reaches the top. We'll have to see where it goes, okay? So, yeah. I don't know how long it spends time here, okay? No one can say. Until we break this channel, it's not bullish, okay? We could drop, you know, a little more before we go up. Rahul G, getting pump. Check Bitcoin, Rahul G. Okay. This is not called pump, bro. I told you about this line. I don't know how much more clear I should be. Until Bitcoin is below this line, it's bearish. Until Bitcoin is below this line. See what happened last time when Bitcoin went below 4 hourly, a daily candle close. When was the last time Bitcoin? It never in the whole cycle. Only once it went below this line. And what happened? Huge. The daily candle close was here. If you see, notice this. It was not able to see. The daily candle close was below this line. Not able to try 1, 2, 3 days. It tried. And then what happened? It got tired. And then boom, 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 boom. Came down, right? So it was very tough for it to break above this line. It finally did. When it did, it's been coming and kissing this line so many times. It was like, hey, it wants to come down, but no. It wants to come down, no. It wants to come down, no. And then finally it did. All right, see this. Okay. And so how many days below this line now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rejections already. Okay. So I don't call pumps a wick. If a wick, 4 hours wick goes up to even $44,000, I wouldn't. It could still come back down. Okay. I need a 4 hour close above $44,000. If I get a 4 hour close above $44,000, this is when I get bullish. I said, okay, the drop is not coming. If a 4 hour close, 4 hour candle closes above $44,400, $44,400, 4 hours candle should close. Then we become bullish again. Until then, I do expect a drop. Until then, this could happen like this, okay? Shrey, this is going to be one of those longest stream looks like. Yeah, I enjoy, you know. I'm happy today. I'm happy because, you know, I have my money on the side and the drops coming and, you know, you feel happy. And I'm rejuvenated. I had my boom boom, you know. So once you have your pipes clean, you feel everything, the world feels a better place, right? So, yeah. It's been good. It's been good. So I'm making use of my time, productive use of my time. What's happening with Twitter? Let's look at Twitter. My friend just texted me, I have 100K to invest in crypto. Oh, what's happening here? Equality. He's showing equality. I don't know why I get to see these videos. It's crazy. Why I'm not subscribed to this content. Because you spend so much time. It's crazy watching these videos. I always block these, you know, videos, these contents, because I don't want to see any videos. I want to see content from crypto people. And Twitter has been doing that. It, you know, it's so addictive. When you want to see when you see a fight, you want to see, hey, what happened, right? Like I wasted like 2-3 minutes watching that stupid video. I don't want to look at that, man, because it's addictive. So I always block. Anytime I get on my feed, yeah, I block these sites because then you waste a lot of time. You don't even realize you already spent 2-3 minutes, and then you see another video. You spend another 5 minutes, then another 10 minutes. Stupid content, you know, it's just fighting, somebody skating, somebody falling down. And yeah, you don't want to waste your time. You want to spend your productive time. Twitter is to gain knowledge. Knowledge is power. You don't want to come on Twitter and waste time. It's for researching. Grayscale has transferred 9,000 BTC to Coinbase. See, that drop is coming, bro. See, that's why I like Twitter. You get, you know, news like that. Grayscale has transferred 9,000 Bitcoin. I'm going to buy 3 of them today. You know, if that drop comes, boy, oh boy, I am ready. Is that Alex Jones? Just announced by NFL and Buffalo Bills. Okay, he's in a stadium. Oh, bro, that's crazy. This is a stadium. The fans are crazy. See this video? Again, I'm not subscribed to these things. I always block him. Block him. What may have been left out? Theta, Google. What is this? EdgeNote. I like this guy, Vivek. This guy is freaking out. What the fuck is happening, folks? Is there some news? No, it's just chart. The chart says that Bitcoin is going to go down, bro. He's freaking out. Freaking out. See, this is one of the longest time we spend here. Not able to come above this line. See? If I want to turn bullish, then the 4 hours candle. 4 hours candle should close above $44,400. Then this drop is not coming. Until that happens, this drop is coming. Okay? Let's put it that way. Make it simple. Until the 4 hours candle close above 44,467 to be precise. Right, closes convincingly above this. Then this drop is coming. You like my new music? How's the new music? Want to check Digibyte if there is nothing to look? LOL. I'll look at it, Digibyte, bro. So I'll leave Digibyte right here, okay? To your imagination. I'll leave Digibyte to your imagination. What's gonna happen? To your imagination. Let's do a middle ground. Somewhere in the middle. Let's type. Okay, this. Okay, because that's where the price stayed the longest. Okay, try to be reasonable. You see here we spend so much time here at the bottom of the channel. We spend so much time here at the top of the channel, and we are spending now again at the bottom of the channel right here. Okay, so either we go halfway, a little bit above the halfway, right? Because that's the halfway mark. Because you spend a lot of time here, right here. This is monthly candle. 1 month we spend here. These many months we spend here. These many months we spend here. So I will be sure that we'll be going up to this level at least 14, 15 cents. You know, past that level. Above that level. So that puts us being very conservative, very conservative. It puts us, you know, 25, 30 cents. So from here, that is still a fantastic 25 to 27x, 25, 27x. I've not seen triple tops in crypto yet to see triple tops. Okay, so it's probably going to go higher. Right, so we're looking at these numbers, you know, I would say 33 to 40 cents. Yeah, that is a good pump, man. Almost 45, 46x. Right. But imagine if it reaches the top of this channel. Top of the channel is like $2, bro. Okay. So think about it. If we drop below this channel, then it's fucked up. You know, then I would not be shocked if we come this low. Okay. It's a two-edged sword. Okay. I would not be shocked. If that happens, then expect. If Digibyte needs to be uber bullish, then expect it to not drop here. You cannot, it'll be a crime if it goes below this. Then what happens? Boom. Okay, to this level. So it cannot go lower than this. That's it. It's finito, bro. Finito. Okay, that's the bottom, and you pump from there. All right. if it has to go to these levels, and I think it will. Okay, it will. We'll just have to see where exactly its bottom. Will it be here? Then it changes the whole channel. You know, the channel becomes like this. Okay, the channel becomes like this. Okay, then this 36 cents mark that I'm talking about, 40 cents mark, it makes more sense. If we drop here to this level, 0.0092 level, then you see what I'm talking about? This channel makes more sense. Then we go to, 35 to 40 cents. That's why I was being, hesitant that, dollar, this would be the range that we'll be looking at, 35, 40 cents. 40 cents is still a lot of money, man. 35, 40 cents for a Digibyte, a lot of money. But it drops to this level. If it drops to this 0.008 level, then, it can happen. It can happen. But if you want to expect like $2-3 Digibyte, then it has to hold. It has to hold this level, like as if its life belongs to this level. Okay, it's life and death for Digibyte. If it drops, it's gonna be a bad, ugly drop. 85, 80, 88% drop. Won't look good. Crypto Spark, look at the Tone coin, please. Tone coin. Isn't it this coin in billions of dollar market cap? Well, depends how you look at it. There's still a chance that we come back down to this level first before pumping up. Okay, something like this. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, it would have a crash at this level, $4-5, between $4.50 to $5. Could expect a crash here. It goes up. The wick could create a new all-time high. The wick could create a new all-time high and then drops it. Comes back down to this region. See this here. We spend a lot of time here, man, in this region. So it could come back down to this region before going up. Okay. Yeah, there's always, this chance that if it does not cross this region, that region is $2.70. There's always this danger of it coming back down. Big drop. That is, the drop will be almost 35-40% drop to between $1.50 to $1.38. Yeah, rank 15, I think, but very good coin made by Telegram. Yes, I'm aware of that. Tone coin. Yeah, made by Telegram. This bloody coin is just wasting so much time, man. If you gotta go up. What the hell? Look at waste of time, man. Waste of time. Let's look at it inverted. Maybe we find something. Yeah, inverted chart. Yeah, I just see this, man. Look at that. It's just a matter of time, bro. Look at that. It was in this arc. It created a little arc for itself. Look at this. Yeah. This thing's done, man. Finito, bro. Finito. I would really want to learn Spanish so bad, man. I want to go to Colombia and talk to these Latinas. Colombianas. I want to learn Spanish. The girl I was dating, she was from Argentina. Man, these Hispanic girls are really good in bed, okay? Really good. Craziness. BCH. Is King Shray still in BCH? I'm gonna go all in. If you look at the stream from the start, you will see BCH. I've done, there's a point where I go all in on BCH. I haven't reached that point yet. Okay? Haven't reached that point. But yeah, man. At some point, I'm gonna go all in BCH. How long this stream's been? 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, a lot of time, bro. I will take off. Okay, I will take off. Do you want me to take off or you want me to stay? You want to do a marathon today? I feel energized. I've been sleeping really good because, yeah, man, I adjusted my schedule and I sleep now around midnight. I try to since past 3-4 days. Or else I used to stay up all night and then sleep during the day. That was my schedule because most of the stuff happens during the night. Who is new here? LDW Finance. Are you new here, bro? I haven't seen you before. Who is new here? Who's watching this content? Medkirk. It seems you're new here, bro. Medkirk is new. I do color my beard, man. Looking like a Santa Claus right now. Coming close. Oh. look at 1 hour. 1 hour candles. See this? Not able to pass this. Any candles, they're not able to close this above this line. See? Even 1 hour candle. Nothing has closed. Below 43,250. That's it. That's not very encouraging, is it? Oh man, I didn't see all these comments here. One day you will be a billionaire, man. Okay, thank you, thank you. Comp Lolo. Sora. Shray, what will be the percentage will alts drop if BTC drops to 38k? That depends on your altcoin, bro. There are some altcoins which are not going to drop. There are some altcoins which will not drop. There will be some altcoins will drop 20%, 15%. You know, some will drop 30%. Depends where your altcoin is. Sam, Congress will eventually release legislation stating which coins were commodities versus securities. BTC, BCH will have one last pump, waiting for it patiently. Assuming 38k is 15% drop. Okay, I didn't see these comments. I'm just looking at it right now. Crypto Spark, look at Tonecoin. No, I did look at these comments. Rahul G, stay. Okay. No lie, you look way better than you were 6 months ago. Oh, really? Why? I was fat 6 months ago? Rev is King Shray. Okay. RDD is giving me Shiba vibes. RDD? What is RDD? Let's look at RDD. What's giving me? Oh, red coin. Bro, this thing is not available anywhere. Where would you trade it? Look at this. Look at how it went up. It's just, you know, people who are holding this coin, they're not able to sell it. What's the point of having this coin if you're not able to sell it? Now, I had a client, you know, I shouldn't say. I know somebody, you know, he's my friend. Look at this. What's the point, you know? That's why, you know, people with money should stay away from shit like this. People with money, yeah, I would not buy anything except the coins that I feel are not a security. Yeah, if people with money, I'm not talking about, you know, when I say money, that means 100,000. Yeah, even 50,000 is good amount in crypto. But yeah. Look at this. Yeah, it's stupidity, man. You know, you're not able to sell it. Where is this coin available? Let's see. $4 million market cap. Look at this shit exchanges. $1,700 market. You know, what is that volume? That's it. 17 is the max volume. What if you want to unload $100,000? Where are you going to unload? These dodgy exchanges. Every day there's a new exchange that I see on KuCoin. I mean, sorry, on CoinGecko. What are these coins? I mean, exchanges. It's stupid, man. Not even available on Uniswap. They got rid of it on Uniswap. Where would you sell it? Yeah, I would stay away from shit like that, you know. Again, I don't mean an offense. People, I was broke. Until 2008, I was broke. Okay, I didn't have any money. No money. I came with $500 in the United States. So I was broke. You know, if you're young, you're supposed to be broke because, you know, you barely finish your education and you're starting your life. If you are between 25 to 30, then you are 90% of the time you are broke. Okay, because you're building your life. You start to see money after 30. After 30, you start to see the money. Right. I saw money a lot earlier in my life. But I didn't focus on my education that much. You know, I had finished my master's, but I just used to go to school just for the sake of it. And I was working 60 to 70 hours. I used to work and I saved money. But yeah, well, a lot of people in the United States, you know, they study, they get their master's. So 23, 24, they start making decent money. So it takes about 3-4 years to save up. Then, you know, they want to buy a house. If you buy a house, then after that, you're paying for the mortgage. So ultimately, you start having money for investment between the age of, I would say, 30 to 40. This is when you start looking into, you know, investment, like big money. Rev Dotron, how are you, brother? How are you, Rev? Let's focus on our thing. SBR, Saber. Yeah, I don't like this one that much, no. NTR. Wow, look at this, man. What is this? What is this? Interlay. $4.7 million market cap. One more pump up like that. Yeah, I think it has one more pump left. I think the way, just because the market cap is so low, I feel there's a possibility it can use this route. You see this? How if it was any other crypto, the market cap wouldn't be so low, then I wouldn't say that there's a possibility of it going to this level. But just because this crypto, the way it is, just because of the market cap, I think there's a possibility for it to go to these levels. 2618. $2618 is at 27 cents. 27 cents would put us, it's at 3 cents right now. Yeah, absolutely. It can do that. I'm being conservative, okay? Usually it's this level, $2.60. Yeah, by July, August, we could possibly reach $2, this level. Imagine if that happens. Yeah, that's a 80x. But it won't be able to go above this line, I feel. Anytime it tries, so you could see a possibility of it, jerking you around like that and going up like that. Okay, so we could see sideways action until it breaks out of that sideways action. But this would be the level. I would look at $2.30, $1.50, $1.50 to this level for this coin. Still, that's a good return. Look at that, man. That's amazing. But yeah, that would, it's possible we might waste time here in this channel. Make a little channel like that and waste time before we break out of the channel and go up. So right now, it's possible we might pump to at least, yeah, you could expect a pump of, 60% to 60 to 80% pump. Possible. Another new all-time high is possible. Okay. I have to remember this coin, Interlay. I like it. What does Interlay do? It lays internally. I like to get laid too, internally. Interlay. I don't know what it is. I'll have to do some research. I had 120k euros at a 20-year-old thanks to last bull run, but it's down now. I know, bro. So you rode all the way back down, so probably got to 5 grand or 10 grand, right? So, never think how much money you had. If you didn't take out the money, a lot of people are stuck in that mindset that, oh, I had this much money at one end. No, you need to look at any crypto you look at, just look at the bottom price, because there are many people like me who are buying that crypto at that bottom price and it's their first bull run. Imagine if an institution, if somebody, a multimillionaire comes and buys a crypto at that level, at the bottom, and do you think after 10x he's gonna keep that crypto? No. If he invested $100,000, he's sitting on $1 million, and you have $5,000, and you wish that want to make $1 million out of $5,000. So no, I'm not saying you particular. I'm just saying how a lot of people think in crypto. Yeah, don't get too greedy. When it's time to take profit, you got to take it, because I don't think, a lot of people think that the bull market will be into 2025, 2026. It's possible this bull market might end in 2024, maybe end of 2024, August. There are many coins which will pump this Jan, maybe Feb. That'll be the last time they would pump. There are many coins that I have seen that I, tell my Patreons that these coins, once they pump, Jan and Feb. That's it. They will not pump until 2028. Next bull run. Okay, they will not pump. So that will be the top for those coins, because they're in a different cycle, right? So it's very important how we position ourselves. This is the time to position ourselves properly. Okay, that's why you have Patreon, right? That's, you know, I post everything what I am doing on it. You know, I opened a couple memberships on the Patreon. Share a lot of good stuff on it. Okay, I'll take off, man. It's been a while. Stream's been really long, almost 3 hours. I will see you later. Okay, you guys take care. Have a good day. Enjoy your Tuesday, and exciting times ahead. Next few days will be exciting. If the drop comes, man, it'll be a golden opportunity. It'll be a golden opportunity to go all in. If you know, 37, between 37 to 36, I would buy 2-3 Bitcoins, you know. I'll see you later. Have a good night, good morning, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Later.